So if I said to you H2O2, do you guys know what I'm talking about? Who knows what H2O is? Yeah, call it out. Water, great. So when we have one atom by itself, we can have hydrogen or oxygen or carbon, all those different elements. But when we start putting two or more together, we get molecules. So if you got two H's and one O, two hydrogens and an oxygen, and we put them together, we get H2O, we get something new, something different, we get water. In this experiment, I'd like to show you H2O2, which has an extra oxygen in there, and if we poured it out into a cup, can you see? It looks a lot like water, doesn't it? So this is why we say never eat or drink a science experiment. And if you're in a science lab, don't eat or drink anything in there either, because it might look like something that's okay for eating or drinking, but never eat it or drink it if you don't know what it is, because it could be a little bit dangerous. If we left it in this cup for a really long time, it would break apart into H2O, water, and then the other O's are for oxygen. But it would take a year. I don't know about you guys, but I want it to go a bit faster than that. So if you want your experiment to go faster, you use a catalyst. A catalyst can be anything. Today I'm going to use a white powder. And also into this, do you know what this is? What's this called? Call it out. Test tube is a great guess. Test tubes are usually a little bit smaller. This one is a cylinder, round at the top, round at the bottom, and it's for measuring, so we call it a measuring cylinder. It's got numbers and lines on the side. So into my measuring cylinder, I'm going to put some dishwashing detergent. That'll help me catch the oxygen when it comes out. And I'm going to use just a little bit of blue food colouring. This makes it a little bit more exciting. And then we said catalyst to make your experiment go faster. Just a little bit. And H2O2 to break apart into water and oxygen. Here we go. Pretty cool, huh? Can you see the steam coming off this one? When something gets really hot in a reaction, we say it's exothermic. Exo means on the outside, like an exoskeleton. Thermic is to do with heat and temperatures and thermometers and... It does look a little bit like elephant's toothpaste, you're right. But we probably wouldn't give it to a real elephant just to be on the safe side. Safety first.